Hi guys, Cynthia McIntosh here with Macintosh Travels. Hey, so I wanted to show you that I received the Kawaii box in the mail just 2 days ago, and I'm going to open this in front of y'all live. So I'm going to be surprised and you're going to be surprised to see what's in it. So it's from Japan, and they say they have the cutest things inside. And let's find out. And by the way, I'm going to be posting a link where you can win your very own Kawaii box from Japan. So I have my handy dandy scissors here, and I'm going to open it. So, sorry guys, this is the boring part where you just open, but the good stuff is going to be inside. So, lots of cute things from Japan. That's what it's going to be inside. So, all right, I'm opening it. All right, so the first thing I see is this cute, like, Japanese anime kawaii box, kawaii school style pamphlet. And let's see, and inside I need my glasses to read. Kawaii school style. Okay, some cute little school things. Fuji pen. I think this is the box that I'm receiving. So little school supplies for, especially if you have little girls. This is great. So you can get a monthly subscription to a box, and you never know what you're gonna get. Just cute stuff in it. All right, so it has a pamphlet like this. Some photos on the back. All right, that's the first thing. And another piece of paper that says Kawaii-fi your life. Kawaii-fi your life. That's cute. And then there is a get a free Kawaii gift with any purchase. And there's a code. And you go to blipo.com. There you go. So, and then it's wrapped up in this cute little tissue paper. Isn't that cute? Now, I don't have little girls. I have 2 older boys, but this would be cute for anybody, especially if you're a teacher too, you know? All right, so I'm opening it up, and the first thing I see is a smiley face. So I'm gonna open it. I brought my scissors again, just in case. Being careful not to rip what's inside. Let's see, what is it? I'm gonna take my glasses off. I only need my glasses to read, so. Oh my goodness, what? All right, so this is, wait a minute. What? It's a hat. Okay, if you see my dog in the background freaking out, she's wondering what is going on. That's her right there, see, right there. She's not used to me wearing hats. So, okay, check this out. Woo! Interesting. Okay. Okay, I can see kids loving this. All right. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I could play with this all day. And my dog is wondering, who are you? But it's super soft. And it's super cute, like really, it's like super duper soft. It's so cute. All right. All right, I probably wouldn't wear this outside in public, but if we were like skiing or something like that and I needed something warm to wear, I might, so, but it's so cute. All right, so that's the first thing, and it has a cute little face. All right, let's move on. All right. Now, that was the biggest thing in the box. Now there's a whole bunch of smaller items. So let's see. All right, not sure what these are, but let's find out. So I'm gonna open it. There are 6 of them, and they're all different colors. You know what? Maybe if I go back to this paper, it'll tell me what it is. So if you're not sure, you can look in here. Let's see. All right. Huh. I thought they were little maracas at first, but they're not. All right, so let me find out. Oh, okay. They're little highlighters. So you just take the top off, and they're little highlighters. See? Yep, they're highlighters. That's cute. All right, I could see this going in a prize box, teachers, just saying. Okay, it is Lollipop Highlighter Set. Yes, so the pamphlet that's inside will tell you more information about it. And this is the Kawaii School Style August 2019 pack, just so you guys know. All right, so that's cute. All right, I could use those myself. I use highlighters all the time. All right, so forget giving it to the kids. I'm gonna use it myself. All right, there's the highlighters. All right, the next thing is, I can't read it because this is Japanese, but let's find out what it is. It looks like it might be some kind of candy. All right, so, there's always a mystery kawaii snack. I'm gonna guess this is probably the snack. So, should we find out? What does it taste like? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like grape. It smells really, really good. So let's see. Super sweet. Ooh. Powdery. Woo! Super sweet. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a giant ball of those pixie sticks that you're used to eating, especially when you were a kid. Yeah, it's gone. It kind of literally melts in your mouth. It's like the pixie stick dust all put into a ball. So that was pretty good. All right, I like that. Tastes good. I'm gonna keep this pamphlet handy here, just in case we need it again. All right, I should just keep my glasses on, huh? All right, and we have this cute pen. It's glittery. Do you guys see that? It's glittery. So when you move it down, the glitter goes down. If you move it up, the glitter goes down. It's because of gravity. All right, and there you go. So, hey, you can write your notes in style. Or if you're a mom like me, you can write your grocery list in style. That's cute. All right. My dog needs to keep her paws to herself. The next thing is this cute little bunny. Look at that. It looks like a little emoji bunny. Isn't that cute? All right. So if I take the top off, okay, that's nothing. That's just a decoration. And I believe, let's see what it is. Okay, the last thing you saw was a shimmery Mount Fuji pen. This is the Donut Bunny pen. All right, just trying to figure out where the pen part is. Oh, maybe I have to, oh, okay. Oh, that is the pen right there, okay. I'm actually taking the pen apart, so let's put that back, shall we? All right. So anyway, it says it's a delicious donuts. Okay, I don't know why I smelled that. I read donuts and I'm like smelling it. Delicious donuts meet cute bunny rabbits in this pretty ball pen. Use it to update your journal about your days at school and write down reminders about homework on your planner. Okay, that's cute. All right, and here's the pen part right there. I just had to pull a little harder, but that's good because it'll keep it closed, you know. There, and it clicks back up. All right, that's cute. All right, so now I got a pencil and a pen. Actually, no, I got two pens, sorry. All right, the next thing is, oh my gosh, this looks so cute. It looks like food on a plate. All right, I'm gonna guess, because this is school related, that these are erasers. Let me tell you this, these things are well packaged, so you know they're not gonna get lost anywhere, so I can't open it. So let's use the scissors again. And let's see, these are Kawaii dessert erasers. So yes, they are erasers. And it comes with this cute little plate. There you go. Like I said, this would be perfect for little girls. For anyone really, but especially little girls. So there you go. That's 2. And it comes with a total of 4. There you go. Check that out. And you put it back on the plate. There you go. All right. I'm going to set those aside right over there. All right, let's see what else. Let's keep checking it out. All right. It looks like another little plate. So let's read what this is about. All right. I'm looking for it. Well, let's find out. Oh, I think this is another snack. Okay. Thank you for providing food. I like to try different snacks from around the world, and I've never been to Japan, so this is awesome for me, trying different things. So, all right. I better make sure this is food, though. All right, so we don't have that yet. That's going to be in there. All right. Yeah, well, it says mystery snacks, so let's go for it. All right. So I'm going to guess the toothpick is for poking it. The sweet. These are like jelly beans, guys. Okay. So there's yellow, pink, and green. They taste like jelly beans. Not as sweet as the other one that I tasted earlier, the other candy. So these are gummy, like jelly beans. So it's good. My teenagers will like that a lot. All right, I'm gonna set that aside. Next thing is this cute little notepad. Oh, this way. It looks like a little dog. My dog just laid down, so she's cool now with this. All right. Now open it. And let's see. All right, so this is just describing of what it is. And then, yep, I got a cute little notepad. And it opens this way. I thought it was gonna open this way, but that's okay. It opens this way. And I can always use notepads and sticky notes and things like that around the house all the time. So these will definitely be used, and probably sooner than later. All right, I'm gonna put that down. All right, we have something else that's big in here. I'm gonna hold that for last because I just saw these and I love stickers. As a teacher, I've used stickers like all the time, okay? And this is why I talk about prize box stuff, and this is like perfect as well. So look at that, it's tiny little stickers. And this is the, forgive me if I'm mispronouncing this, Nikoni mini puffy stickers. So it looks like they're all food related. So these would be cute to decorate like the little notepads, and put a sticker in your kids' lunch boxes, for example. That would be really cute. You know, just these things are so much different than what you usually get. So this is perfect. Okay, the last thing, and a big thing here, not as big as the bunny hat before, but this is really cute. Again, definitely can use this. It's like a journal. So isn't this cute, especially for little girls? Isn't that cute? Okay, and they can journal, write their thoughts or whatever they want to write on here, their homework, you know, cute notes. I mean, this whole box is just full of cuteness. So yeah, look at that. And that's the back right there. So all of this stuff came in this cute little box. Now I'm not going to put the packaging back in there, but just all the little things. Okay, the notepad. It was so packaged so nice with care. The highlighters. A little notepad, like I just said. And the pen and the pencil. I mean, not pencil. Why do I keep saying pencil? It's 2 pens. All right. And this fuzzy, soft hat. Which, by the way, I think... Oh. Not Jolly Rancher. Oof. Sorry. These little candies that taste like gummies. All right, I'm gonna put them in there, although that's gonna be gone soon. All right, and the little hat. I think the best way to finish off this video is revealing of the Kawaii box. Okay, that's it. That's everything. This, so I remember what's in there. And if I put it all back in there. All right. It all fit in this cute little box. I'm careful not to tip it over because I want the little candies to stay in the little dish. So guys, again, thank you for checking out this video if you're watching. And check out the link where you can win your own very Kawaii box. And yeah, so that's it, guys. And it's from Japan. I've never been to Japan, so especially if you've never been to Japan, you have something authentic from Japan. That would be awesome for kids or for yourself. So, all right, have a good day. Bye.